What's up, lovers? How are you doing today? Today I am making a video about 6 male insecurities that women actually care about. I know we all have insecurities as human, but there's some that are specific to men, and I'm sorry to let you know, but yes, women don't like them either. But today I'm going to tell you how to fix all of them. All right, so before we start, I want to talk to you about my book. By now, you know I wrote a book, a course, and an ebook if you don't want to read. Yes, it's called The Ultimate Love Cheat Code. So you can check me out, check this out at shopmelimonaco.com. I appreciate you. All right, so let's jump right in. Number 1, that's, I think, the biggest for a lot of you. Height. Yes, you guys are insecure about your height, and women actually do care about height. I know it's kind of dumb, but we do care about height. So to help you, what you can do, you can wear all monochromatic clothes, like all gray, all black, all blue. It will make a visual illusion that you are actually taller. Also, do not wear baggy clothes. Try to wear clothes that fit you. As far as shoes, you can wear Timberlands, that would be cool, or Chelsea boots, you know, they make you look taller. Also, you can wear sneakers with, you know, big foam. I don't know, the big at the bottom. Yeah, they will make you look taller. Also, if you are 5'5", why are you trying to date the woman that's 6 feet? It's fine if you're okay with it, but if it's gonna be one of your insecurity and always like she can't wear hair, she can't wear this or this, and you feel inferior, or when there's other men that are tall, you feel funny and you think like she might go and talk to them, don't do this to yourself. Go date a girl that is 5'2". So yes, she might still like the 6 and up, but with you, you're still taller. Number 2, again, a touchy subject, hair loss. Yes, I know you guys be balding and we see it, you see it, you try to hide it and put extra hair on top of it. So no, help yourself. I know it's a tough topic because you don't like it, and that really makes your confidence get lower and stuff, but don't feel like that. Me, I tell you, if you feel like you cannot go without hair, go get the fucking surgery. Get the surgery, try it out. Hopefully it works. I heard sometimes it don't work, but hopefully it works for you. If you cannot do the surgery or refuse to get the surgery, go fucking bald. Bald is sexy, and I'm sure you can rock it. I'm telling you, women will go for somebody that is bald before they go for somebody that is trying to cover, you know, you have some extra hair here, so you comb it this way. I know it sucks, but I'm telling you, go bald if you're not trying to get the surgery, because it affects your confidence, and we feel that. Number 3, the size of your penis. Yes, I know you guys watch porn, so you've seen what's out there, and maybe you have a little less. I don't know what you got, but if you feel really insecure about your penis, it's okay. What's on TV is not reality. I am telling you, because they've been selected because their dick was big. So if you have a little less, it's not bad. For sure, women will talk about, oh my God, this dude has a big dick. They will. But in the long run, do you think we want to get fucked by somebody with a big ass dick all the time? No, that shit hurts. That shit is gonna deform us. We don't want that. So if you're on the smaller size, what you can do is cut your bush, because it would make it look bigger. Also, stay hydrated and exercise. And also what you can do, because women are gonna brag about how good you were in bed. And Joy Mode is here to save the day. So if you have a big dick, small dick, don't matter. Joy Mode can still help you. The Sexual Performance Booster is designed to support erection quality, firmness, and sex drive. So how to take it is really easy. You open the little package, you pour it in 6 to 8 ounces of water, and you make sure you drink it all, but you gotta do that 45 minutes to 4 hours before you gotta perform. So then when it's time to get sexy, you're ready to go. So whether you're happy or not happy with your performance in the bedroom, why not get better with Joy Mode? So all you gotta do is go to usejoymode.com/Melli, or you just enter Melli at checkout, and then you get 20% off your first order. So the link is there. Click the first link in my description, and you'll be on your way to greatness. Number 4, money. You guys be insecure about money because you think that all women want is money. A lot of women only want money. But if you do find a good girl, money is not always necessary. So it's up to you in a way. If you feel insecure about the amount of money you get, go fix it. Go get some more. It's plenty for everyone. Do what is required for you to make more. First thing to do if you're struggling with money is start budgeting. A lot of people don't do it because they're like, oh, it's fine, I know my bill, and then, oh, what I have left over. No, budget. Write down what you have coming in, write down what you have coming out, know what you have left over, know what goes to your savings, and then you can start managing your money better. Also, start living below your means. You don't need a fancy car if you don't get bread. You don't need a fancy apartment if you don't get bread. Like, stop. What you need is save and budget. If you hate your job, make a plan, find a hustle, and then save up, and then go do what you want to do. Number 5, a lot of you are insecure about your bodies. So make sure you work out. If you feel like you're fat, the only solution is to go to the gym, work out at home, whatever, but work out, get moving, and stop eating all that junk food. It's that easy. I mean, to say, because even me, I be eating junk food and not working out. So yes, but it's up to you. If it really bothers you, start acting on it. Women actually do not require you to have like a banking body with all muscle, because that would make them feel actually a little insecure, because they would feel like they need to have the perfect body too. And most women don't have the perfect body. So they enjoy that bad, but you cannot be fat. That's not appealing to most women. So boost your appearance and work out a little every day. And number 6, some of you think you're ugly. Your face, you feel like you're not handsome, and yeah. So what you can do is actually accentuate what your face already has. So for sure, what your face has, a lot of you, is bush eyebrows. Make sure it's not bushy. I'm not telling you to go pluck like me and be like, oh, perfect. But here it needs to be gone. If you have this here, it needs to be gone. If your eyebrows looking everywhere, looking like a bush, you need to trim a little bit and cut. I am not telling you go perfect. No. Because sometimes when they go perfect, it looks a little feminine. But just make sure it's trimmed. The same, if you have a beard, make sure it's looking nice. Actually, the beard would be cool. If you can grow hair, get a beard. Women love beard, and it hides your face a little. If you think your face ugly, get a beard. But make sure you maintain that shit. Make sure it don't look ashy or rough like that, like the sponge. It's not the sponge, it's the one like when it's tough in the plate and you gotta go crazy. Your beard shouldn't be looking like that. The one looking silver, it shouldn't be looking like that. Also, your teeth. Teeth are really important to women. So make sure they're white, make sure they're straight. Do something. Make sure you got a nice breath. Yeah, that's not part of it, but I'm gonna say that. Make sure you got a nice breath too. That would help you. Your lips. Moisturize your lips so we want to kiss you. Your eyes, make sure they are bright and not like you've been smoking all night or not sleeping and now they're yellow or red. Like, we don't want that. Your skin too, make sure your skin is clear, bump free. All of this, just doing those. Even if your face is ugly, but you got nice lip, nice skin, nice eyebrows, no hair in your nose. I mean, that's coming out. And a nice beard. Right there, you're nice looking. I am fucking telling you, you are fucking nice looking. So go do that. All right, so hopefully this video helped you, because those are some of your insecurities and women actually don't like those. So I'm helping you out today, hopefully. All right, so to help me out, what you can do, I still get the book. There is still some left. Get the book from me, please, at shopmellymonaco.com. Also, Patreon. You can find me on Patreon. If you need some more advice from me, one-on-one video call, or just texting, we can do that over there at www.patreon.com/mellymonaco. That's all I got. All right, guys, I love you. And don't be so insecure. Don't feel insecure. Go fix them. Fix those. Those are fixable. Easy. All right, I love you, and I will talk to you soon.